Understanding re-rack in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, re-rack. This might be a new phrase for many of you, and it's used in specific contexts which we will explore in this video. So, let's dive in and learn about when and how to use re-rack in English. Re-rack is a compound word made up of re and rack. The prefix re means to do something again, and rack has several meanings, but in this context, it often refers to a frame or holder for storing items. When combined, re-rack generally means to put something back to its original place or to arrange items back in order. 2.1 In the gym. One of the most common places you'll hear re-rack is in the gym. After using weights or other equipment, people are often expected to re-rack them, meaning they should put them back where they belong. This helps to keep the gym tidy and safe for everyone. 2.2 In retail or grocery stores. Another common context is in retail or grocery stores. Employees might be asked to re-rack items that customers have looked at but decided not to buy. This ensures that the store stays organized. 2.3 At home. You might also use re-rack in a domestic setting. Perhaps you've just done the dishes and need to re-rack the plates and glasses in the cupboard. Here, re-rack simply means putting things back in their proper place. While re-rack is not a formal phrase and is more commonly used in informal settings, it's good to know when and how to use it correctly. Remember, the main idea behind re-rack is to return something to its proper place or to organize items back in order. And that's pretty much it for re-rack. We hope this video has helped clarify what re-rack means and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, keeping our spaces organized is important, and knowing how to use phrases like re-rack can help us communicate more effectively about these tasks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.